Driving in Heels campaign was all about a road safety issue and creating awareness about being safer when you're in the car. According to road safety statistics, there had been a sharp increase in 2011 of the number of accidents on the roads. So we wanted to get a safety message out there, but not be lectury. We wanted to just use something that's a bit more everyday, something that you might not think about, and get the message through different social media channels as well as traditional PR, so that we could raise the issue that perhaps you shouldn't be driving in heels and be safer on the roads. So originally, when we first launched the Driving in Heels campaign, we went down the traditional PR route, which was send out a press release, and we worked with the road safety charity Break to reinforce the importance of the safety message. We had really good results. We had more than 83 pieces of coverage, all with national media. We had radio coverage as well. So we thought, okay, this message is a strong message. It's a good story here we want to tell. How can we make this go further? So we decided, in order to spread the message wider, that we'd like to have a second bite of the cherry, I guess, is the good way to describe it, and do a social competition. And that's when we decided on the platform Pinterest, and it enabled us to get our message out to a much wider audience than we would have had if we had just stopped at the traditional PR route. The challenges that came with that was that Pinterest, we didn't have a Pinterest channel at all, so we had to set up a confused.com Pinterest board. That means we had to start from scratch to try and build traction and visitors, and also we were taking people away from confused.com, and there's a risk there, if we take that visitor off the site, will we get them back? And making sure that all our branding and marketing messaging was consistent throughout Confused and Pinterest. So the key results of the campaign was that we had 83 pieces of PR coverage. We had SEO is also very important for Confused, so we had more than 13 links and 21 video embeds, which really helps with our overall commercial SEO strategy. We coverage with Daily Mail, AOL, and we also have radio coverage too. But the thing we're really proud of is that we were picked up by Mashable. They linked to our video, they made a video about our video in their newsbeat, and they have 20 million views a month. And we believe we're the only business in Wales to have made it onto Mashable so far, so we're really proud of that.